الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Electronic Waste Management by Professor Mahmoud Hani Suleiman. Electronic waste, e-waste, e-scrap or waste electrical and electronic equipment describe loosely discarded, surplus, obsolete, disused or broken electrical or electronic equipments shown in the figure. This definition includes used electronics which are destined for reuse, resale, salvage, recycling or disposal. Some chemical components of e-waste: cadmium, dioxins, lead, mercury. The source of each in the electronic equipment and the health concerns. Barium can cause damage to heart, liver, and spleen. Cadmium has toxic effects on kidney, skeletal system, and respiratory system. Dioxins is highly toxic and can cause reproductive and developmental problems, damage to the immune system, and cause cancer. Lead causes damage to nervous system, kidneys, and affects the brain development of children. Mercury destroys nervous system, immunity system, lungs, and kidneys. Electronic industry like information technology and telecommunication is the world's largest, fastest growing industry. Now fastest growing waste stream. Mismanagement of e-waste led to new problems of contamination and pollution, thus posing a threat to environment and health. Hazardous nature of e-waste is one of rapidly growing environmental problems of the world, with lack of awareness and appropriate skills is deepening problem. And has health risk. Illegal framework, collection system, logistics are lacking. Urgent need to plan preventive strategy in relation to health hazards. E-waste became problem of crisis proportion due to two primary characters. Toxic ingredient of e-waste, we mentioned some of it. Generation of e-waste at an alarming rate. E-waste burden globally more than 50 million tons produced per year. It is escalating rapidly at a rate of 3 to 5% every year, which is 3 times faster than the municipal waste. It composes more than 5% of all municipal solid waste. 23,000 tons of e-waste shipped to developing nations. Egypt can be a potential market for recycling e-waste. Recycling should be planned. Egyptian government has to set policies, legislations, cost recovery plan, programs for awareness of e-waste management. While e-waste contains both valuable materials as gold, silver, and copper, also contains harmful metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury. Sources of e-waste: individuals, large business, manufacturers. Sources are individuals, large business, and manufacturers. Here, the effects of and hazards of e-waste. Effects on environment: it releases toxic dioxins and furans, toxic fumes, cadmium, polychlorinated biphenyls, so contamination of groundwater, pollution of air, acidification of soil, disturbance of aquatic ecosystem. These are toxic constituents and their source and health effects. Please read it again. Lead, cadmium, mercury, hexavalent chromium, plastics, barium, brominated flame retardants, beryllium. Please, this is a part of the toxic constituents of the computers and electronic equipments. Please print and read. E-waste disposal add the following methods: recycling, landfilling, incineration, reuse. Recycling, landfilling, incineration, reuse. And this is the explanation of these items. Please read and read this also. والحمد لله, thank you for your good listening.